Now that I am done organizing my things, I will take you on a little loft tour. So here's the front door. I'm not wearing a bra, so I'm not going to take you outside. But once you enter through the front door, you get to, like, that's the area. Ooh, I can't really see. So that's where I keep my shoes. And then there is a mirror here. And then just like a space to put stuff. I put my shoes in there. I'm not really sure if that's what that's for. And then as you keep walking in, you'll see the kitchen to your right. And we also have a washing machine. No dryer, but that's easy. We can just hang it off railings and stuff. A sink, very small stove, kettle. On the left, you have the bathroom. So it's like a normal Korean bathroom, like sink, toilet, and then like the floor for the shower connects. And then there's the fridge, and oops, we have a microwave here. And then this is kind of the main space. So there's a table, place to sit down, and then TV. That's the view out there. It's a really nice view. And here on the table, since I bought my friends the granny pants, I think I said panties earlier. Since I bought my friends the granny pants, I left them a little note in case I'm not there, basically saying that I hope that they had a smooth flight and that they can pick their own pants. And then we have a closet behind the table. So this just has like an ironing board. And oh, there's the hangers. I'm gonna hang up my jacket. Another closet. And now let me take you upstairs. Not sure who's staying upstairs. Like, is Earl staying upstairs or are the girls staying upstairs? I don't know, but I'm definitely not bringing my bags up there because it's just way too heavy. So these are really steep stairs. I don't know if you can tell through the camera, but they're steep and they're narrow. Ugh. And this is the other sleeping area. So, oh, luckily there's a fan here. And I guess more storage back there. And this is what it looks like from the top. Ta-da! Thank you for joining me on the Office Towel Loft tour. I'm gonna go probably wash my body, but keep my same dress on. That's kind of gross, but just pretend you didn't hear that. And then head over to Insadong Market and hopefully get here before my friends come back. I also need to figure out my SIM card because it's still not really working properly, which is really annoying because I paid for that, so it should work. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Exit 3, Insadong. You know, Crystal, Daniel. 따스한 훈풍 불어와 아침 햇살은 따사로워 어깨 가득 기분 좋은 날. So I randomly found a museum of fruit. Is it free to enter? Oh, I think it's free. Ah. 안녕. Oh, you have to get a ticket. Okay, no, never mind. So these bookmarks are a lot more expensive than the ones at the other store. These are 2,000. The other one was 1,500. I think Insadong is like the really traditional place because even the Starbucks is written in Korean. Sometimes the stores have English letters, but it looks like all of these are in Hangul. Avatar store is what that says. So I really want all of these, but it's about 20,000 won. And I also want this exoplanet stuff. That's 40,000, and I have that one already. And they're playing EXO in here, which is freaking cool. Actually, it's CBX, I believe. That's Iron Man. Maybe they have something like $4C per mark. So they have a Star Destroyer, an X-Wing Starfighter for 7,200 won, and then this is a Shore Trooper and R2-D2 R5-D4. But that one doesn't have a price, and that's kind of one I want to get for him, but they don't have it. So I will keep looking around and see if there's anything else from here that I could get him. Even Misha and Etude House are written in Hangul. That's pretty cool. That's so cool. So I ended up getting a pack of keychains for discount. Originally they're for 5,000 won for a pack of 9, and other stores have it for like 8,000 won, so I got that. Plus I got 1,000 won discount, so 4,000 won each. And then I got little pouches for like the girls to put like the stuff in. I might buy them makeup as well, like lipstick or something. I don't know yet, but I'm just looking around. I want to check if I got a good deal or not. So far, I haven't seen anything that beat the price of the pouches I got. So the pouches at other stores are at the very least like 1,000 won, and I got it for 900 won each. So it's a bit cheaper. It saved me a few dollars, and when I was trying to pay, I was looking for my coins, and the ajumma was like, oh no, it's okay. So she gave me like 200 won off of the price as well, which is awesome. These scarves are more expensive than the other ones that I bought, but they're more better quality. I don't really care at this point. I'm looking for a cafe, the poop cafe. So this poop thing, that's what I'm looking for, but I'm looking for the cafe. And I think that because I can now see that, I'm in the right place, and I think the cafe is somewhere up there. I found it! Okay, I'm at the poop cafe now. I really want to try this place because you can have your food and your drinks in like a toilet bowl, which is really interesting. Look at all the poop themed things. They have like a poop tree, there's a big poop there, poop on the walls. This is so fun. So they do have a wait time here, so they give you like the buzzer, and I guess I'm person number 4. It will start buzzing when my drink is ready. I got it. So this is the rose latte. Let's see how it tastes. So I actually wanted the iced vanilla latte, but it wouldn't come in this cup. So it's like, oh, can I get hot vanilla latte? And it's like, no, only rose and mojito. So I got the rose, which is okay. Like I would have preferred the vanilla, obviously. I didn't get any food because I'm planning to get like the dompang downstairs, which is like the poop bread that's filled with like Nutella or something. I really want to try that. Today is such a crappy day. Okay, that was really lame. I finished my poop drink, but I also noticed just before I was leaving that they have poopy cushions too. That's so cute. And look, there's like a toilet right behind. I'm gonna order a dompang. Dompang 주세요. 제거. 네. I got my dompang. Okay, I want to take a bite, but I want to take photos first, so 1 second. Okay, so I got my dompang, my poop bread. Let's take a bite. Choco! It's a lot chewier than I expected it to be. It's really good. I feel like I've done all that I wanted to do at Insadong. Look! Fansu! Sunjungi! But, so I don't really know what else I want to do here. My battery's dying, which is a good thing because I don't know what else to do. I'm just gonna walk around, eat my poop bread, figure out when my friends get home. Sulok is having free tea tasting, so I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, no, that's too hot. I'm not tasting that right now. This place sells tortilla pizzas, and that's literally what I used to live off of when I was in university. cafe. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I really like this, but I already bought so many pouches, and plus that's like way more expensive than the other one. So there's some sort of event going on because I have been stopped twice by two groups of university students, and apparently there's like a culture day or something going on. They want me to come for like a 25-minute like culture thing, which is cool, and I would like to go to learn more about the culture, but I need to meet my friends and I don't know what time I'm supposed to go and I don't want to get lost, so I'm not gonna go, unfortunately. But I wish the students good luck. These socks say love you and they have EXO on them. I really wanted, but no money, and I'm going to a SM store tomorrow, so I cannot. I must save my money for the real deal. Jumping. I think that's like a trampoline park. The ones that we have back home. Cool! How many times have I said cool this whole day? I found a really pretty wall. That's it. I came back to the Avatar store and ended up finding a Millennium Falcon, and I know what that is, so I'm gonna get that one for Mark. So outside of the Avatar store was a store selling like other Avatar things, so I got Mark this little Spider-Man. It has nothing to do with Korea, but he loves Spider-Man, so there's that. I spent like 10,000 won on him. That's good enough because he didn't even want anything. This hanbok is so pretty. It's like a modern take on a hanbok. Apparently Myeongdong is 960 meters that way, so I'm gonna see if I can head to Myeongdong by foot. Let's go. I hope I don't get lost.
아침까지 너랑 와인 안에 빠져있네 수영을 못해도 난 붕 떠 내 붓기를 끌어고 그들은 어둠 속에 숨어있네 옆에서 올려 또 you do sup